Hey everyone, this is Tiash and welcome back to Tiash at California. Oh my goodness, I just got back from the most incredible short vacation in Lake Tahoe. The weather was glorious. We spent so much time hiking at the beach on those amazing gondola rides. And let's just say, I fully embraced the vacation diet. Pizza, burger, burritos, ice cream, you name it, I probably ate it. It was amazing, but my skin is definitely showing the signs of all that sun and, well, indulgence. It feels little tired, dull, and honestly, my whole body is craving for little extra care and nourishment right now. So, I have already started with some external love. A nice, hydrating, homemade face mask, which definitely helps. But you know what Ma always used to say? True radiance, true health, it really starts from within. And right now, my body is screaming for some extra nutrient packed goodness to help reverse some of that vacation fun. That's why today I am making my absolute go-to summer glow salad. This is not any simple salad. It's packed with ingredients that's specifically chosen to nourish my body, help combat that UV exposure, and bring back that healthy, vibrant glow to my skin. Let's talk about the superstar ingredients in this salad and why they are literally the skincare from within. I have chosen them for their science-backed benefits, especially after being out in the sun. First up, we have avocado, our skin's best friend. It's loaded with healthy monosaturated fat, which is crucial for skin elasticity and its moisture. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin E, that is a powerful antioxidant that protects our skin from oxidative damage caused by sun exposure. Next, we have sweet and crunchy corn. It might surprise you, but corn is a great source of carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which act as internal sunscreen and helps protecting your skin from UV radiation damage. Next, we have cucumber, which is great for hydration, that is necessary for a plumpy and healthy skin. First of vibrant flavor, we have juicy mango. Not only is it a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, but it's also loaded with vitamin A for healthy cell growth and a variety of antioxidants to fight free radicals. Plus, fiber helps with gut health, which is so linked to healthy and clear skin. Tiny but mighty cherry tomatoes, my personal favorite for antioxidant like lycopene. And of course our base, like crispy lettuce. For protein, today I'm using some beautiful pan-sauteed shrimp. It's not only a great source of lean protein, but also helps in skin repair and collagen production. Now if shrimp is not your thing, no worries at all. This salad is super customizable. You can easily swap it with grilled chicken, paneer, or even crispy tofus for an equally protein-packed experience. It's your kitchen, your glow. Alright, let's get this glow fest started. I have already prepared few things to keep this under 10 minutes because who wants to spend the ages in kitchen, especially after vacation, right? So first, a nice generous bed of fresh, crisp lettuce. This is our canvas for all that skin-loving goodness. Next comes some cooling cucumber slices. This is going to be so refreshing. Now for our next red gems, the cherry tomatoes. Hello lycopene. Next, a sprinkle of that vibrant corn. So good for those carotenoids, remember?
And here comes that beautiful, sweet, my favorite fruit, mango. It just screams summer, doesn't it? And all that vitamin C and A to perk up our skin. Now I am adding my pre-prepped shrimp. I just quickly sauteed it with some olive oil, garlic, and paprika. They literally take minutes. Time for the creamy stir, our avocado. I am just going to carefully slice it up. If you have trouble getting your avocado just right, let me know in the comments. I have a few tricks up my sleeve. This healthy fat is key for that supple skin.
Now for the simple dressing, I'm going to use some lime juice, freshly grounded pepper, and pinch of salt.
At last, I am adding some cilantro or coriander leaves. It not just adds flavor, but fights acne, reduces inflammation, brightens our skin with its antioxidants, and detoxifies our body too. Oh my goodness, doesn't that just look incredible? Look at those colors. It's like a rainbow of nourishment.
All right, the moment of truth.
Let's dive in.
Little bit of everything. The creaminess of avocado, the sweetness from mango and the corn, crunchy cucumber, lettuce, and the dressing, it's bringing everything together. You must have to try this. This is a game changer. Honestly, it's so flavorful and satisfying. It does not feel like I'm detoxing or eating healthy. It feels like pure summer and delicious.
And knowing that every single bite is doing wonders for my skin, helping with that UV damage, and getting me back to my glowing self after vacation, that's the best part. This is why this is the nourishing salad I can eat every day, especially when my skin needs that extra love. It's truly a glow up in a plate.
So, if you have been feeling that post vacation blues, or just want to nourish your body and skin, or want extra glow for the upcoming festival, you have to try this salad. I'm saying this is truly a game changer. So if you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly helps my channel. And if you like my content and have not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any healthy, delicious recipes along with wellness tips that are coming on their way. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay healthy and glowing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.